boys and juicy girls. Welcome to another video to our channel.
Yes, and tonight, it's the night. What we're going to do, Drake, for tonight?
We're gonna unbox my new shoes.
Yay! Actually, it is late night. We're fresh from getting these shoes from Glorieta 3. PUMA Glorieta 3. Ta-da! What's that?
It's a mellow ball.
This one is the MB.02, the second shoes for LaMelo Ball, and it's a collaboration between PUMA and Nickelodeon Slime. So what can you say about the box, Drake?
I say it's really cool with these what do you call these?
Design. And actually, this what a coincidence. This is going to be a collab between my son Drake and me, Juicy Lemon. Wow, how cool is that? So right here, let me help you. So this is the box. It's a very cool box. As you can see, there's this design, and I know that this is inspired from LaMelo's chest tattoo, because yeah, on the first LaMelo or the Melo 01s, it was inspired on his tattoo. I believe that tattoo is on his leg, but now with this Melo 02, this is coming from his chest tattoo. Did you know that?
No.
Such a surprise. Yeah, such a cool box. There's this like a see-through thing here, like the wings, and also at the back there's this size conversion. And what are we waiting for? Do the unboxing, boy. So inside the box you're going to see this. So pardon us, all of us has this thing called sipon. We're having cold, but we're all okay. That's the most important thing. Drake requested us to buy these shoes or anything, any basketball shoes which has what's that, neon color, right?
Yes.
Why do you like those basketball shoes with the light or neon colors?
Just for me, it's kind of just vibrant colors that I like.
But actually, it's a thing now. If you will notice, in NBA, a lot of players start using vibrant colored shoes, and there's no such thing right now which has this color coordination with their uniforms. And for me, as the old guy, as you can say, for me this is very cool. I like the colorway, the color combination, and the collaboration between Nickelodeon and PUMA with the design. What can you say about the shoes, Drake? What's your favorite part of the shoe?
It would probably be these parts, the wing.
The wing part?
Yes.
It's saying 1 of 1. This one, the red ones. You can see that 1 of 1. Can you see it? 1 of 1.
I thought it said 100.
It's 1 of 1. And on the other side, can you read this?
Rare.
Yes, says rare on the left shoe. And I think the cool part here as well is the like ooze thing or the slime thing design on the toe area. There you go. It's really matching the theme. And underneath the shoe you can also find some graphics It's saying rare on the right shoe, and on the left shoe it says slime, right? With the traction, I believe with the other sneaker reviewers or YouTubers or influencers, they saying that for this shoe it has a really good traction, and there's a design as well. Still, it's the inspiration coming from Lamelo's chest tattoo. What else can you say about the shoe, Drake? On the tongue, you can see here still the inspiration from the tattoo, and underneath it's the Nickelodeon slime. Pretty cool, huh? Awesome shoe. Also, it has the Lamelo logo at the back. I tried this earlier when we bought this in the PUMA store, and I really dig the fit, especially it's a snug fit shoe. It's light. I don't know the exact weight of the shoe, but for me it's light, and I can compare it into like a Kobe shoe, which is mid cut, with regards to the fit inside and the cushion. For me, I like the cushioning here. It's not that soft. Actually, Drake now is having this love for basketball. That's why he has this weekly training, right?
Yes.
Can you tell us more about your experience having this basketball training?
Well, my experience with this basketball training is it's really fun, and I get to learn a lot of basketball properly.
The basics, right?
And I'm able to play with friends too.
Well, that's the best part. So let's hope that Drake loses weight after his 10 session basketball training. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, this is just a quick unboxing of his new shoes, because tomorrow is very excited. Tomorrow is his training, tomorrow morning, and he's going to break the shoes in tomorrow, right? So it's time to break in the MB.02 or the MB.02 slime. Anything to say to our viewers?
Actually, when we were buying this, I originally thought of buying the 10 size, which is my exact size, and then I ended up deciding to go for the 10.5 and then after that, on the way home, I heard on a video that Dad was watching that if you were a wide footer, it would go for you should go for a 10
or a half up size.
Yeah.
Alright, so I guess that's pretty much it. And the boy is really excited to use his new shoes. So it's the MB.02 PUMA collaboration with the Nickelodeon slime. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching again, and then if you like this content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Right?
Yes.
Teka lang, sabihin mo rin, Drake. So, umpisa dapat, I'm so excited.
It's
So,
still
okay
recording.
lang. I-edit it natin. I'm so excited to unbox this because that means I can wear it tomorrow already. Ganun ka dapat.
Tapos na.
That's why, kasabi nila.
Daddy, can you remove this?